I decided to stay for another game. I don't know why. Well, I don't know, like, if this game doesn't get like any further than the first round, it probably won't be uploaded. So that's probably a massive hint to how this is gonna go if it is uploaded. I don't know. I probably shouldn't have said that. Well, can we start yet? Can we start? Yay! I'm assuming she just turned the wall. Okay. She got an apple. Okay. We got a pineapple slice. Made it through the first round. Woo! Actually, no, we haven't. We might get kicked. Who knows? She's a pink bear. Let's inspect. Oh, there's a cat rustling in a bag over there. Yeah, like she had everywhere to sleep, but we have like this bag full of like pillows. She's crawled into the pillow bag. Don't worry, she won't suffocate. I have a close watch. I can just hear her rustling. Yeah. Anyway, this girl, she, I thought she would be like a Freddy Fazbear fan. Getting comfortable. Okay. She keeps rustling. Don't even know if you can hear her. Oh. You okay? Meow meow. She's just like moving in her sleep. Silly. He has really fancy hair. Oh, he has lots of badges. Okay. Oh, wait, has he been on longer than me? No. Don't think so. No, he mustn't be because my it's 100. I am a true Habbo. Okay. Oh god, let's pick the kick. Does he speak Oh, wait, who's that? Oh no, he kicked the bear lady. Drama. Oh, goodbye, bear lady with her orange. Okay. I guess she's just using signs now. It's a lot easier. Oh, I want cat ears. Can you get cat ears? I kind of like my scrunchy thingy though. Come on, Mrs. Cat. Meow meow. Yeah. Go the one. Shoot. I really don't like my mic quality, so I'm sorry about that. I actually have a blue snowball, but I'm just really lazy. It's in my room somewhere when I'm downstairs with a cat. Okay, go on, Lego Last Leaf. I could be like a rap. Go on. Wait, is that popcorn? Who wants popcorn? Oh no, no. Wait, oh okay, orange just picked a cake? I didn't know. Almost I'll go again. Okay, what is this guy? What's the again again? He reminds me of someone. I can't think. Oh, he looks a little like PewDiePie. I don't know. Does he have like? No, he doesn't have like hair for. I don't actually like PewDiePie. He actually lives really close to me, like in the town next to me. It's really. I've never met him though. Same with Zola. Okay, it's almost my go. Oh no! She's not winning again. Goodbye. She just left. Okay, I'm ready. My body is ready. Give me the fridge. Oh, I can kick someone. Oh god. I think. Is this the kick? I think. Is this kick? Do kick? I think. Is he holding an orange? Should I just Google someone's name? I'll go with this one. Oh no, I'll go with PewDiePie. Lego. I think it is, unless I'm being silly. Oh, yeah, it is. Lego. There's a fly in here, go away. Ugh! It's really buzzy, it's very energetic. You're right next to the open bit of the window, but you slam into the glass. Okay, sorry, Mr. Fly. Oh, I have a friend request. I don't know who that is, so... can this fly leave? You're very noisy. Mr. Fly! Go away. Oh, is it my go? Who's go? Who's go? Okay, so... oh my gosh, this fly. Go away. Okay, come on, Mohican, spiky hair dude. Okay. Oh, oh, the final. Oh. Oh. Yes. What do I win? I win 3 credits. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Thanks. Wow, I have credits. I didn't even do anything. That's kind of a shame I lost last time as well. I could be having 6 credits. Oh well, but I guess I won. That's kind of cool. So I'll see you guys next time. I'll probably play a different minigame because 3 in a row is going to be boring. But I'll see you guys next time. If you want me to play more of this minigame, then let me know, but I'm going to stop here. So, bye guys!